Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger review video. In this video, I will share you Hostinger cons, pros, plus special amazing discounted coupon code and a link through which you can get hosting from Hostinger with the special prices. But before I share those prices and deal, I want you to share my experience with Hostinger, my Hostinger experience-based review. So let's get started on the review. There was a deal running right now like this through which I was inspired, and I opted for Hostinger for the first time, and it's been like 3 years I've been using Hostinger, and right now I'm one of their partners as well. So my experience so far with the Hostinger has was very good. Never had any issues, to be really honest. But what inspired me to get the hosting from Hostinger was, there were a few things. First thing was that they were recommended by WordPress.org, which was a very very good thing. And then I moved around the Trustpilot, and I saw many reviews like 4.6 out of 5 is a very good rating for any hosting company. Read the reviews. Major reviews were very positive, very supporting, great support. Everything was very, I know that not all of the reviews can be 5 stars, but in case if there is any bad thing, they openly address and sort out those issues and errors for the customers as well. So which is why I was very surprised. You can see that happy customer from past 10 years, everyone praised them. So that was another interesting thing. And then their plans are super duper amazing. You are getting SSD or NVMe storage. Another thing which was tempting for me, others can have different, like I had an option of daily or weekly backup. So my data is safe. Data is important for me, so I wanted it to be safe. So which was another thing. Free domain, free email, free bandwidth, unlimited system, and these are good things as well. You're getting managed WordPress. They also provide you automatic website migration. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company, they're gonna manage the procedure for you. They have one-click WordPress installation, pre-built templates. They another thing that they have their own hosting or website builder, which is just amazing with their 150 plus design and crafted templates for Hostinger. And then you are getting amazing security features with Hostinger like DDoS protection, malware scanner, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name servers, free domain host privacy protection, secure access manager. And with Hostinger, all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee and 99.9% uptime guarantee and access to global data centers. Like you can host your website in different countries or location wherever you want, because Hostinger got ample of data centers in different locations of the world. you know then they also provide maximized website speed with their light speed web server technology. So now you are getting fast speed through SSD or NVMe storage, plus you are getting through their light speed web server technology, which makes the object cache 3 times faster for WordPress. So in case if you're hosting WordPress, definitely it's the best for you. They have a 24/7 support through email and chat. Everything was very quick, but I think that a phone support could be better for some people, who are looking for a constant calls. They are not writing friendly. For those, a call support would be better. I miss that. Also, I'm not a call, but I'm seeing from the client's perspective, not all like the messaging or email, but in case if you're good at messaging them, they are very quick and fast to respond. So, and right now there are currently more than 2 million people are using hosting as a primary hosting company. And then I'm going to show you their age panel. This is one of, as they claim that this is one of their industry's best. So I'm going to log in into that. I'm going to show you their age panel, so you guys can see if I am able to log. I have to log in through my Gmail account, so I'm going to log in through that. So here I'm gonna log in through that. So I am is gonna, okay, it's having a clicking issue, so I am going to be logged into their age panel. So now tick. So I am over here in their age panel. Okay, so currently I'm using the business web hosting. The first year I used the premium web hosting, uh, and right now the premium web hosting, and right now I'm using the business plan, which is the most popular plan. I also have an email plan from them as well. I can create website through with a number of clicks with their AI website builder, which is just super duper fast. And then with Hostinger, now I'm gonna manage my hosting from over here. I can see almost everything over here. My daily backups are enabled, free email enabled, domain active, databases, my speed insights over here. My website is seeing if they constantly scan my website for any viruses. I have 13% of total resources currently utilized, so I still have a lot of space to be utilized on. So that is one of the very few things which I like about them. I can manage WordPress over here. I can look around for security, troubleshooting, staging. I can manage my hosting plan details over here. I can see, everything over here, the course, the speeds, everything over here. Then, I can move to the auto website builder planner. I can install other tools plugins with a click of a button. So it is just another amazing add-on. I can just simply click the select and I can have it added. And then, the performance features I can manage over here, the security features, the domain, the auto installer I showed you over here. I can add websites, migrate websites, then manage databases. And then if I look around on advanced page security features, I can look around on DNS, PHP configuration, cron job, SSE, access. Hostinger has, everything almost covered with there, so much functions. They also provide you with activity blogs as well, you know which looks for different, issues or things which I have done in the past, and if they have caused, I can undo them. So now, I can even other select other CMS as well, and I can select other format as well. Like over here, I can select any day. I mean, offer so much things to install, even invoice managers and everything over here. So everything is very easy for me to be installed. So okay, there is a phone call coming as well, so I'm just ignoring it, guys, for you. Okay, so now, guys, what I did was, in case if you're looking to buy hosting from a stringer like me, which I'm using from the last 3 years, and in case I want you guys to make sure to click on the link in the description. The procedure of buying hosting from a stringer is very easy. First of all, make sure to click on the link in the description. I will also provide you with two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So once you click on exclusive link, select your plan. Okay, these coupon codes gonna work with any plans. You can select even these three plans, or you can simply select hosting and select other plans as well. But you know that I think that these plans has almost everything you may need, so you can select any according to your preference. For instance, we are going with this plan, the my plan which I'm using at Hostinger. Simply select the add to cart with this plan. Okay, once I select the add to cart, I will be redirected to another page. On that page, you can see that this is the limited time deal, because you have guys have clicked on the link in the description for exclusive discount base. So you are going to get two discounts. First discount from the link, plus to the I will also share two of the finest coupon codes for hosting, through which you can get further discount. And the best of all is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. So now select your billing period. Hostinger offer various billing periods. If you ask me, I recommend the 48 months because you're saving the most amount of money. I recommend you guys to take the most amount of money. Massive discount is possible or otherwise you can offer the 24 or 12 months plan. These plans are also good, but this is the cheapest, which is why I recommend that. And the 1 month plan is very expensive, and because these are one time deals, so I want you guys to get the maximum out of this. Once you select your billing period, scroll below. Now you can write your email ID over here to get your new account created at Hostinger, or you can synchronize your Google account with Hostinger to, and it will automatically link your Google account with Hostinger and your email ID. Once you are done with this, scroll below, select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods, so you can select any according to your preference, and they can also be changed from country to country. Once you select your billing period, payment method, you can write your billing details over here, like your name, your email address, from whichever country you belong, and everything. And you can see that the prices are already discounted because you have clicked on special link. Now I'm going to tell you a special discount coupon code which you can find in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. See the current pricing right now. Once I apply it, you can see that the price got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well, which you can use it as the name of HI10, and you can see that the price got a further discount. So you can use either of this coupon code on Hostinger and get amazing discount with your hosting from Hostinger. So you can see that the price got a further discount at Hostinger. So yeah, if you ask me, my experience or journey of Hostinger so far of 3 years is very good. I enjoyed their hosting, super fast, never had any issues, optimized speed, faster performance, never ever I had to face any virus, malware scanner issues. I like the malware scanner to be really good. The daily or weekly backup option is another very good thing, because my data is safe, and that is the one of the very most crucial and important thing for me, that my data is safe. And my experience so far with Hostinger is just amazing. If you ask me, do I recommend Hostinger? Yes, I definitely recommend Hostinger. My experience so far is very good, which is why I think that you guys also should buy hosting from Hostinger. Just guys, make sure that you click on the link in the description, because I got an exclusive link for my audience through which you can get amazing discount with Hostinger. So I do not want you guys to miss on that special deal. So make sure to click on the link in the description, plus use either of the coupon codes to get amazing discounts. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger. So good luck. But in case if you still have any questions left or anything left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.